Once, an engine attached to a train was afraid of the tunnel.
If the rain comes, they run and hide their heads. They might as well be dead. If the rain
The engine's name is Henry. His driver and fireman argued with him, but he would not move. The rain will spoil my lovely green paint and red stripes, he said. The conductor blew his whistle till he had no more breath, and waved his flag till his arms ached. But Henry still stayed in the tunnel and blew steam at him. I'm not going to spoil my lovely green paint and red stripes for you. Then along came Sir Topham Hatt, the man in charge of all the engines on the island of Sodor. We will pull you out, said Sir Topham Hatt, but Henry only blew steam at him. Everyone pulled except Sir Topham Hatt, because, he said, has forbidden me to pull. But still Henry stayed in the tunnel. I'm not going to spoil my lovely green paint and red stripes for you. Then they tried pushing from the other end. Sir Topham Hatt said, 1, 2, 3, 4! Push! But he didn't help. Has forbidden me to push, he said. They pushed and pushed and pushed.
Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, 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 hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, 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 hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, 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 hurry up, hurry up, 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 hurry up, 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 hurry up.
But still Henry stayed in the tunnel. At last Thomas came along. The conductor waved his red flag and stopped him. Everyone argued with Henry. Look, it has stopped raining, they said.
And I think it's going to rain today,
said Henry, and what would become of my green paint with red stripes then? Thomas pushed and puffed and pushed as hard as ever he could. But still Henry stayed in the tunnel. Eventually, even Sir Topham Hatt gave up. We shall take away your rails, he said, and leave you here until you're ready to come out of the tunnel. They took up the old rails and built a wall in front of Henry, so that other engines wouldn't bump into him.
Yes, because building a wall to keep people out has always been the best answer.
All Henry could do was to watch the trains pushing through the other tunnel. He was very sad because he thought no one would ever see his lovely green paint with red stripes again. As time went on, Edward and Gordon would often pass by. Edward would say, "Peep, peep, hello." And Gordon would boop, boop, boop. Poor Henry had no steam to answer. His fire had gone out. Sudden dirt from the tunnel had spoiled his lovely green paint and red stripes anyway. How long do you think Henry will stay in the tunnel before he overcomes his fear of the rain and then decides to journey out again?
3 days.
Jim, that was a rhetorical question.
You don't even know what rhetorical means, do you, Brian?
Yeah, I do. It means not requiring an answer.
I guess you do know it because you answered my unrhetorical question. Mr. Fancy Pants, with his little BA in cultural sciences and politicalness.
That's not even a word.
Oh yeah? Well, look at this. Truthiness.
That's still not a word.
Truthiness is a word.
Prove it.
Look in the dictionary of 2007.
In a minute, Gordon would see the tunnel where Henry stood bricked up and lonely. Oh dear, thought Henry, why did I worry about rain spoiling my lovely coat of paint? Will the Fat Controller ever forgive me and let me out again?
No.
I'm going to poop, said Gordon. He was almost there when... And there was Gordon going slower and slower in a cloud of steam. His driver stopped the train. What has happened to me? Asked Gordon. I feel so weak. You've burst your safety valve, said the driver. And look, there's Henry laughing at me. Everyone came to see Gordon. Huh.
Yeah. What is it good for? Absolutely nothing.
Said the Fat Controller. I never liked these big engines, so I sent him packing.
There stood Sir Topham Hatt. Scrap!
Gordon.
This engine's not for scrapping! Sir Topham Hatt wasn't listening.
Oh, she hissed. Get me out! Get me out! Send for another engine at once. Edward was the only engine left. I'll come and try, he said. Edward puffed and pushed and pushed and puffed, but he couldn't move the heavy coaches. Why not let Henry try? Yes, said the Fat Controller, I will. Will you help pull this train, Henry? He asked.
No.
Everyone was excited. A go date, the Fat Controller for tea.